Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is create a simple program that counts pages on a website. So what we're going to do, we're going to import a few modules here. So first of all, we're going to import the requests module. Now if you don't already have this on your system, you're going to have to install it through pip. And we're also going to import the RE module, which is the regex module. I think that's already built into Python, but I can't actually remember, so you'll have to check that one out yourself. If it's not, you can simply install it through Python pip. We're creating a function called countPages, and then we're going to create a variable here called URL and assign it to input to get user input. So the user will input a URL. So we tell the user to do that, input URL, which is going to be HTTPS, etc, etc, etc. And then we create another variable called response. That didn't work out well. Response here. And we assign that to requests. This is the request module we're going to be using. .get and the URL which we typed into the input box up there. Right, now we come on to the conditional to evaluate it. So we say if response dot status code is equal to 200. So basically what we do is we send out a request to the website to see if it's functioning. So if the status code is 200, that means we're good to go. So we create another variable called content here, and we assign it to response.text. We can store in there. And now what we're going to do is we're going to count. So we create a variable called count and we assign it to the len, which is length. And then we're going to use the regex. So we do re.findAll. And then an R flag there. And what we're going to do is we're going to paste in, I've already done this to save a bit of time, we're going to paste in the regex pattern that we're doing. This will search for pages. So this is the pattern. Okay, make sure that's all right there. So that's the pattern. And I think we're going to use content here. So we're searching for that pattern in the content. And then what we're going to do, we're going to print and use fstring website has, and then we're going to interpolate the count into there. That's going to be pages, or else we're just going to give a simple error message. So print error fetching error fetching. Yeah. Okay, so we save it, and then what we do is we've got to call it. So that's count pages here, and let's have a look. Just change that a little bit there. Let's just change that. Knock that one off there. Okay. No. I think I'll leave that there. Okay, let's save it. Let's run the program. Slight error here. Okay, so enter URL. So I'm going to enter something like https example.com. Enter. Our website has one page, so I'm going to enter another website here. So let's just go into this. Okay, https hit enter. Website has 33 pages. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.